What an idiot. This is my vision board for 2025.
Stop it. We all want free shit. Hello. Welcome to my reset for 2025. It is currently the 31st of December. It is New Year's Eve. And I've decided that before I can go into 2025, I need to clean my room and the Christmas decorations need to come down. I also want to finish my vision board. So that's the goals for today, but this video is probably going to take like a week to film, in all honesty, because there's so many things I need to do just to clean out the life, and you know, what better way to do that than at the start of the new year? The very first thing I need to do actually is chuck my sheets in the wash, because there is rain coming, and if I want these sheets dried and put back on my bed, that's a priority. So let's quickly strip the bed and go put them in the wash.
Also, I'm sick, so if I sound like shit, that's why. So the washing is on. While waiting for the load to be done, because as soon as it's done I need to go put it on the line, we are going to try and tackle how messy the room is. Now, it's pretty bad, guys, I'm gonna admit. I genuinely don't even know how to tackle this right now. There's just a lot going on. We're gonna tackle the clothes first, because this should be like the easiest to put away. How did I let the clothes pile up this badly? It's called going out partying, coming home, mum's put clean clothes in the bed and you say can't be fucked and chucking them on the floor. We've been cleaning for about an hour now, so I'm going to give you all a little update. The washing is on the line, and I've only been tackling this area so far. So like this is looking a lot better, but still not great. Guys, I just sat and did an Instagram post instead of cleaning my room. I did my 2024 end of year post. Go follow me on Instagram at maddie.talisha, link in bio, no link in description. So guys, I just made my bed, right? Beautiful. Not like perfect, but like beautiful, right? And I was like, shit, where's my phone? I don't remember where I put it when I was making my bed. Do you wanna know where it is? It's here. I'm hoping it's above the fitted sheet, but I don't know. Guys, it's under the fitted sheet. What an idiot. Alright, I'm gonna get ready for New Year's celebrations, which means I'm leaving my room how it is. But that's fine. That's all fine. Okay guys, this is my vision board for 2025. Yes, it is in 3 parts. I really like how it looks. Over here, we've got like a little bit of like key to any goals, consistency, gym and YouTube focus. It's a little reminder. Then like, you know, a bit of everything. It's all really tied into one, but like, this is just how I separated it. This is literally got everything that I want to do this year. And then this is balance. So balance between like traveling, the gym, work, and friendships. Yeah, that's my vision board for 2025. All right, we're gonna take a minute. I'm gonna tell you guys my New Year's resolutions or whatever. I have 5. I think I do not do like a shit ton of New Year's resolutions, and also I don't start the year being like, all right, new year, new me, I'm gonna completely reinvent myself. Because personally, I don't think that's realistic. But also that's personal things. So my first resolution is to hit 10K on YouTube, which you can help me with by hitting that subscribe button. I realized last year I did not have a YouTube related goal, and so I didn't try as hard, in my opinion. Like, I still posted, but like I just was posting shit that I wanted to post, and it wasn't helping anything. Like, nothing was moving because there was no motivation behind it. My second one is to heal my hair. Look how short she is. She's also so thin, and I just washed it and she looks flat. So healing my hair is a big part of this year. Third resolution is to complete my version of 75 Hard, which is what I'm doing at the moment. Four, I want to get some PR. Guys, I want to go on people's PR lists. Stop it. We all want free shit, okay? I want to be on people's PR lists. Any brands watching this? Hi. I promise I'm a great content creator. You should send me some PR. And then my final resolution is to keep my room clean, because I'll have a big clean, as you've seen by the many YouTube videos on my channel. Probably for the rest of this video it'll mainly be me cleaning, because when I have a year reset, it is mainly about taking down the Christmas decorations, starting the year with a clean room. Not that I really started the year with a clean room. It is a lot cleaner and I'm very happy with that, but it's not like clean. And then also like doing New Year's resolutions, doing my like vision board. Yeah. Alright guys, so the room is not completely clean, but it is so much better. Obviously, like, I have recycling right here that I take out and I have put those shoes away. But this is like still the messy part. Like, I have no idea at the moment what to do with this stuff, especially those books. And like, that's gonna go to skies. Don't know what to do with that blanket. Like, my gym bag's just there. That is stuff for raves and stuff. It's just chilling. But like, although it's pretty clean, I mean, my desk is still a bit like shambles, but everything's looking a lot cleaner. Yeah, there is a bit of crap on my bed. Don't tell anyone. but looking so much cleaner. Like, wow, look at this. Like, this looks so much better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little 2025 reset. If you did enjoy, make sure to do all that good stuff, like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, because I know you'll be back. Bye!